In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your profile avatar on suno.ai. Whether you're looking to update your image for a fresh new look or just want to experiment with something different, we're here to guide you through the process in just a few simple steps. Let's dive right in so you can refresh your profile image quickly and easily. First things first, you'll need to log into your suno.ai account. Head over to the suno.ai music website and enter your login details. If you're already signed in, fantastic. Otherwise, use your username and password to access your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself at the home page where you can see all your usual options. Now, let's move on to the next step. Take a look at the top right corner of the screen and you should see your current profile picture, or perhaps an icon if you haven't set one yet. Click on that and a drop-down menu will appear. This handy menu gives you quick access to various options related to your account. Once the drop-down menu is visible, go ahead and click on Edit Profile. This option will take you directly to your profile settings where you can make all sorts of changes and updates to your account details. Here, you have the freedom to fine-tune your profile as you see fit. Now that you're in the profile settings, focus your attention on the section labeled Profile Picture. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option to change the current avatar you have. To select a new image, click on the Upload button or the designated area that suggests adding a new photo. At this point, your device will prompt you to choose an image from your computer or the device's storage. Be sure to select a picture that represents you well. Keep in mind that the file size should not exceed 10 megabytes, so make sure your chosen file is within this limit to avoid any hiccups. After selecting your desired image, it's time to make it official. To do this, you'll want to tap the Save button. This action will confirm your changes and update your suno.ai profile with the new avatar you've just uploaded. It's as straightforward as that. Your profile is now refreshed with your new image. Remember, you can change your avatar whenever you want by repeating these steps. Whether you like seasonal updates or have a new favorite photo, keeping your profile picture current is easy and fun. Thanks for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope you enjoy using suno.ai with your newly updated profile avatar.